Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to learn about the CVC words. Okay, what is the first vowel in our vowels? A is the first vowel. Yes children, today again we will do a recap of all those words with the letter with the vowel A. Okay, now see here. I have written here AD words, AM words, AN words and AG words. Yes children. Here see first A, D. A sounds A. A sounds A. D sounds D. D sounds D. Together A, D sound as add. Yes children, add. See here, what is this word? Pad. This word pad. P. P. P letter. Which letter gives P sound? P. 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 Add. AD. Understood? PAD. Pad. Yes children. Now see here. LAD. Lad. L sounds L. A sounds A. D sounds D. Lad. L. L. Which sound? Which letter will give that sound L? L. Yes. So L. Add. AD. Lad. 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 Yes. Now see this. SAD. Sad. In this word, sound is you are hearing in the beginning. Yes. S means yes. Yes sounds S. Yes. Add. AD. Add. SAD. Sad. Understood? Pad. P. Pad. P. PAD. Pad. Yes children? PAD. 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 P. Add. AD. Pad. Now lad. L means L. Add. AD. Lad. 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 Now sad. Sounds yes. Add. AD. Sad. 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 Yes. PAD. Pad. LAD. Lad. SAD. Sad. These are CVC words. Yes, with the vowel A. Yes. See here. P, L, S, D are consonants. Yes, children. Here CVC. C is P. P is a consonant. Yes, whereas D also consonant. Here in the middle, which letter is there? A. A means vowel. PAD. Pad. Consonant. Vowel. Consonant. Understood? Consonant. Vowel. Consonant. CVC words. CVC words. Understand children? Here first letter is consonant and the second one is the vowel and again third one is also a consonant letter. So we are calling this as CVC words. Okay. In the middle, which vowel we are learning with the which letter vowel we are learning now? A vowel. Yes. This is about the AD words. Now see here A, M. A sounds A. M sounds am. Understood? A-M, am. Together we call this am. Now here D-A-M, dam. Here D sounds D. D sounds D. Am, dam. D-A-M, dam. Now J-A-M, jam. What is the first sound you are hearing in this jam? J. Yes? J. J means which letter? J. So, J, am, A-M, J-A-M, jam. Now, see here. R-A-M, ram. R sounds R. Ram. R sound you are hearing in the beginning of this word, ram. So, R, am, A-M, am. R-A-M, ram. Understood? D-A-M, dam. D sound, D. D, am, A-M, mam. D-A-M, dam. Now, jam, J sound. You're hearing the sound beginning. Yes, jam, J sound. So, jam, J-A-M, jam. ram. Sound you are hearing in the beginning, in the ram word. R, am, am, mam, R, am, ram. Okay? Here this one also same. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Yes children? Consonant, consonant, consonant. And this is vowel and again this is consonant. So CVC words. Now see here AN words. Understand children? AN. A sounds A. N sounds N. Together an. Yes? Fan. First sound you are hearing in the beginning. So F means F. F-A-N, fan. F, F-an, A-N, nan, fan. F-A-N, fan. Yes? Now see this. Pan, P-A-N, pan. P sound you are hearing in the beginning of pan. So, P letter will come. P, an, A-N, nan. P-A-N, pan. Understood? Now see here. This is V-A-N, van. V sounds va. A-N, an. So, V-A-N, van. Yes, children? Fan. F-A-N, fan. Pan. P-A-N, pan. Van. V-A-N, van. Fan. Pan. Van. F-an. P-an. V-an. V, P and F. Understand? Now see here. These are also CVC words. Yes, children? F, P, V and R consonants and in the middle letter A is vowel. CVC words. Yes? Now see here A, G. A sounds A. G sounds G. Together we call this as ag. Yes? Bag. What is this spelling? B-A-G. B sound you are hearing in the beginning of the word bag. So, B means which letter? B. B, ag. A-G, ag. Bag. B-A-G, bag. Yes? Now see here. W-A-G, wag. W sounds wa. Ag. W-A-G, wag. Yes, children? Wag. W-A-G, wag. Now see here. Tag. T-A-G, tag. T sounds ta. Ag. T-A-G, tag. Understood? Bag. B sounding is there. So, B-A-G, bag. Wag. Wa sounds W. Ag. W-A-G, wag. Now, T-A-G, tag. Ta. Ag. T-A-G, tag. These are also CVC words. Yes, children? B, W, T, G are consonants, whereas the middle letter A is vowel. So, these are also CVC words. Yes, children? Now, today, what did we learn? What did we go a recap of which words? AD words, AM words, AN words and AG words. Yes, children? Under the AD, pad, 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 LAD, lad, SAD, sad. Pad, 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 LAD, lad, SAD, sad. AM, under AM, dam, 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 JAM, jam, RAM, ram. DAM, dam, JAM, jam, RAM, ram. Under AN words, FAN, fan, PAN, pan, VAN, van. FAN, fan, PAN, pan, VAN, van. Under AG, BAG, ban, WAG, van, TAG, tan. BAG, ban, WAG, van, TAG, tag. Yes, children, practice these words at your home, children. Thank you.